This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Gather 1 cup flour and 1/2 cup oil, color, and a bowl. You measure precisely to control texture. Once done, pour into the bowl and film the ingredient reveal, tight overhead and a 45 degrees angle. Mix slowly at first to avoid dust. You want a crumbly, sandy feel. Explain what you're doing as you add oil, why the ratio matters. Make sure to capture your hands and the tactile sound for ASMR-friendly footage. Once the mixture comes together, knead for 2-3 minutes until it holds shape yet springs back. You're aiming for a moldable, not sticky, dough. While kneading, explain why you add small oil or flour adjustments. This controls moisture and longevity. Film varied angles, macro texture, mid-shot of hands, and a pull-apart slow motion. Make sure to narrate tactile cues, soft, crumbly, stretchy, and pause between actions to let viewers absorb technique. Film your final reveal. Show a 10-20-second sequence of squeezes, splits, molds, and a slow pull so viewers see texture and behavior. Then walk through cleanup. Sweep loose flour first, wipe the surface with a damp cloth, and store cloud dough in an airtight container to retain softness. If the dough becomes sticky, add 1 tablespoon flour and knead. If dry, add 1 teaspoon oil and work it in. This troubleshooting tip prevents ruined batches and keeps your demo on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.